Today, we're breaking down how the new VantageScore 4.0 and recent FHFA policy changes impact home buyers. Welcome to Dre's Take. Hey folks, there's huge news coming out of the FHFA this week. That's the group that runs the government-sponsored entities known as Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac. You may have heard of them. And those are the folks that buy up majority of the mortgages. So if your credit profile or criteria doesn't meet the standards for Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac to buy your loan from a lender, then most lenders won't issue those type of mortgages or those types of loans to you. Traditionally, when it comes to the credit score, they use the old FICO scoring model, which leaves out whole groups of folks, especially those with limited credit history. That's where the VantageScore 4.0 comes in. Effective immediately, the FHFA will allow lenders to consider the VantageScore 4.0 along with the traditional FICO model. But why is that a big deal? Because the VantageScore 4.0 model takes things into consideration like rent and phone bills and utility bills that were paid on time, things that were traditionally left out of the FICO scoring model. This means more accurate credit scores for younger folks, gig workers, and renters, and especially those in traditionally marginalized communities who were kind of kept out of home buying because of the use of these outdated scoring models. Now, I want to be clear, this doesn't mean that you can just buy a home with terrible credit, but it does mean that your full financial picture is finally being considered instead of just traditional debts like credit cards and auto loans and other lines of credit. The bottom line is this could mean that you're finally eligible for a home loan. So this is huge. You may want to talk to a lender to see just how this impacts your ability to qualify if you're interested in becoming a homeowner. This is going to open up the doors for home ownership to a whole bunch of people. I mean, they're estimating this is going to impact millions of people who previously would not have been able to qualify for a mortgage to now be eligible for qualification. And I'd love to help you get that sorted out and find that new home. If you need a good lender to speak to see just how this may impact you or what your current qualification may look like, just let me know. I'm always happy to help. In the meantime, y'all know me, still the same OG, and I know you haven't forgot about Dre. That's my take this week. All right, y'all, take care.